So the first thing you have to do, if you follow the link in the description, is to click on this place saying enter email. Enter your email, enter your preferred password, and confirm your password. So once you're done with it, don't worry, if you follow the link in the description, the invitation code will be there, or check out the description of this video also, you will see my invitation code. Enter the invitation code and click on sign up. So once you're done with it, go over to login and log into your account, just like the way I'm logging my own now. This is it. Just log into your account. This is the email that I used, and enter your password. So once you are logged into your account, your home page is gonna look like this. So what you have to do, this is an investment website where you invest for some days. You can also do it for a day and also get your return. You can also do so for a day. So you have to watch this video attentively to see what I have to do. So first step is to click on this place that says deposit. So how do you deposit and what do you need to deposit? You need to deposit minimum of 10 USDT and it's gonna be TLC20 wallet at TLC20 network. So what you have to do is to first of all copy the wallet address or scan this code over here. So once I done copying it, if you see that the scan is copy is successful, so I'm gonna recharge with my Binance account. So over here, my Binance account, just like I told you guys, I'm gonna recharge with my Binance account. So what I have to do is to click on this withdrawal. It's gonna take me over to the next step. Then ask me if I'm you know how to use Binance. You can use Trust Wallet or any wallet of your choice. You can use Trust Wallet or any wallet of your choice. As for me, I choose Binance. I know why I'm using Binance always, because Binance have low charge fee than Trust Wallet. So what I have to do now is to enter the wallet address that I copied from the website, and then enter the network. Choose network, just like I told you guys. Network is TLC20, and TLC20 have low charges. That's why I normally love TLC20 of this. So next thing I have to do is to click on 10 USDT, but I have to add the charge so that it will be 10 USDT complete when I'm done with withdrawal. So next thing I have to do is to click on withdraw and follow the process which Binance is gonna do to send to me. So I will just click on confirm and then do the rest. So let me confirm it and come back to you guys. So now the withdrawal is processing. Look at the date. So as you can see now, the withdrawal is completed. Look at it over here. It's today. Look at the date. So let me go back to the site now to see if my 10 USDT was credited successfully to me. So if you look over here now, you will see that my 10 USDT is in my account, and you can see online recharge is 10 USDT and it was completed. So it's time for us to go to the menu in the website. So what do you have to do to earn from this website? Click on this place that says invest. Since you are still on to the part of this video, that means you are interested in this investment. So as you can see, they have the 1 program, they have the 5 program, they have the 10 program, they have the 15. You can check it out. They have the 30 and the 90 and whatsoever. So in this, for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna use the 1 to do it. So what you have to do, the 1 is just gonna give you 5%. That means I'm gonna get 50 cents out of this platform. So you can also check out the 5 to see. The 5 is gonna be giving you 5.5%, which is daily, which is 1.1%, 1.1 USDT daily, 1.1 USDT. So after 5 days, the investment is gonna get completed and you can withdraw your capital and your gain instantly. So for me, I'm gonna go for the 1 plan. So for you to see it, how the platform works, so all I have to do is to click on all. I'll put on 10 USDT. You can see it's gonna give me 5 years. So if you still want to earn more from it, 20 USDT is gonna give you 21 USDT total. So if you invest 20 USDT on it, you're gonna get 21 USDT. So from where you withdrawn, you are currently gonna get your cash, your home money back plus the charge fee. If you also want to go more, maybe something like 25, you're gonna get 26.25 USDT total income. You see it. If you also want to go for 30, you're gonna get 31.5 USDT total. So that is what how this platform was. So for me, I'm gonna go for 10 USDT because that is minimum what minimum investment and what I can afford here. So next thing I have to do is to click on invest, and you see that successful purchase was done. So as you can see now, I've invested it and is 0.5 USDT ongoing. So after 24 hours, today is Thursday, 17th of October, November. So by maybe 8:13 a.m. or 8:14 to 15 a.m. tomorrow, this my plan is gonna end, and I'm gonna come back to show you guys how it goes. So after 24 hours, I come back to the website, and you can see that my transaction details, online research, USDT investment, financial redemption, and now my gain is just 5 cents. That is 0.50 cents. So if you go over to each place now, you see that my total asset now is 10.5 USD. So I'm going to withdraw. So how do I withdraw? Click on this place, say withdrawal, and then it will ask me to set my transaction password first. So I will click on this setting and then enter my transaction password, that is payment password. After adding the password of my choice, what I have to do is to click on this bar, say modify, and I see it's now modified successfully. So it's time to withdraw again. How I need to do is to click on this place, say withdraw again, and then click on this place to add my wallet address. So how do I add my wallet address? Click on this plus icon, add the wallet address of your choice. As you can see, this is my Binance wallet address. You can set it at default. You can leave it like that, and then click on save. When you click on save, you see that the operation is successful. Now it's time for us to withdraw. So click on this place. I've selected the wallet address. Look at it over here. You must select the wallet address you want to withdraw to, then enter the amount you want to withdraw. So I have all my amount is 0.5 USDT. You can also do this for more USDT, for you to cover the charges and the Binance charges and everything. For this one, withdrawal charges don't have any amount. There is nothing like withdrawal charges. So I will just enter the password or the withdrawal password I want to withdraw, and then click on submit. As you can see now, my withdrawal application is successful. So if I go over to this place now, you see that the withdrawal application is here, minus 10.5 USDT, and they will approve it within some time. So while waiting for it to go, next thing you have to do is to go ahead to know how to earn more. Of course, how to earn more is by clicking on this place that says share. You see, you can invite your friends. You can copy out to a link, invite such a link here. Then let's go to invite rule. See, if you can invite your friends, you get there is level 1, level 2, and level 3. So you can copy out your referral link and go over to your friends. So how do you gain from referrals? Your referral bonus is very sweet. Earn 10% of recharge of your level 1, 5% of recharge of your level 2, and 2% of recharge of level 3. So each recharge they made, the bigger amount, the bigger you earn. You only earn 10%. That's assuming your friend recharged 10 USDT, you're gonna get 1 USDT of course from it. That is 10% of it. If your friend recharge 20, you're gonna get N2. So that is how it works. So now let's go over to know if our withdrawal is successful. As you can see, it's still freezing. So look at it over here, it's still freezing and it's not successful. So after around a minute, you see that I came back to my account, and you see that I'm now no more having anything here. There's no USDT here, both available and frozen. So if you go over to my transaction details, you see that my withdrawal is now successful. So this is how to withdraw from. This is how to use this website and make money from it. So you can also check out the other investment plans, and bear in mind that the more amount you invest, the more gain you earn. And also, let's go over to my email to know if the thing was successful. And right now, if you go over to my email, you see that I received a notification from Binance that I deposited 10.5 USDT, which is successful. And also on my Binance account, you will see it here that the deposit, you see the withdrawal I made yesterday, and now the deposit of 10.5 USDT was successfully deposited on my account. So this is how they use this platform and make money from you. Remember, the more you invest, the more you earn. So Lastly, please, Zubiking is not in any way financial advisor. Do your own research and also invest at your own risk. Invest what you can afford to lose online. Do your own research before doing anything investments. I cannot bear any responsibility for any loss. Remember, this is crypto. So this is how to make money on this. If you want to do this, do it now and stay safe. See you guys on my next video. Bye.